Hello, everybody. This is Alex Blakovich here with.
Hey. I
Guess-
forgot my name. What's my name? Newt Gunray. There you go. This is Newt Gunray. How you doing?
We're here at our toy review table. Donald just came up with it. What? Alright, and we're gonna be reviewing some older toys, like always. He's from 1998 right here.
Oh.
Major Chip Hazard. Not the, taller ones, the 12-inch?
10-inch, I think.
10-inch. Whatever, one of those. It's not this, but we also have this, the 10-inch. Or whatever size it is.
I think I think it might be a foot-inch.
He works,
I said a foot-inch.
a foot inch. You're so smart, bro.
Shut up.
You're gonna move his arm back because it likes to twitch forward because he's got a little thing on the back. Mine is not new out of the package because I wouldn't take him out of the package. I'd keep him in.
I've got a brand new 12-inch Major Chip Hazard.
It's not brand new.
It's better than yours. Yours.
That's your fault. Okay.
No, it's not. You stuck
Video. Me and Donald had a little argument.
because you're stupid.
Donald doesn't like to stay.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah. It's not videotaping. It's.
What, nip? Not really. You don't get to see that. If you did, you'll have to censor that out later.
Yeah, you're a girl, so.
Did you catch that?
Nope. Or so he has. Really. I got that on camera. All right. So he has 4.
Oh, let's review this spaceship.
That's a ship. That's a.
Okay.
That's Dad's anyways. So Archer has 4, and we already showed you one of these. So here's the second one. What was that? He said prepare for battle. Defend Gorgonite Castle and roar.
Alex, Phantom spaceship versus Pikachu. Go.
We're doing Pikachu now too.
No, he's dead.
No, but Pikachu over
He
here.
died in 1997.
As you can tell, we are pretty big toy fans, So yeah, he has 4. I'll show you the first one.
I'm turning 14, and I'm still a toy fan.
So Dad's 44, and he's a toy fan.
How could you not be Dad's age? You slut.
What?
You're a slut. I saw you. Oh crap! I just tore his arm off.
You tore off barricades? Alright, so you guys just gonna stare at Major Chip Hazard while we deal with some
Stare
problems.
at that Major Chip Hazard.
Archer, get your arm fixed.
Yeah, fix your arm.
I'm trying to fix it. Here, you guys just... Here, we'll just put the camera right here. Oh, no. I guess you guys get to stare at the dark. This is what he looks like. This is what he looks like when, he doesn't have his arm up. Move back, he's pretty tall compared to Pikachu. Donald, please put that back. Stop, dude, that's so annoying.
I know, that's what I'm doing. Mace
So, compared to their sizes...
I said Mace Windu, I'm falling dark.
You're so dumb. Oh, and those aren't like these figures. They're like the 2-inch play school ones.
What are they called?
Jedi Force or something like that?
Yeah, no, you're stupid. They're like,
But what are they? Alright, so, yeah, you can tell they have different sizes, but, we have a bigger Major Chip Hazard, but this Major Chip Hazard's really buff when you think about it,
Yeah, like me. Boom, boom, boom.
He's buffer. Pikachu's buffer.
No.
Dude,
Oh,
dude, this is why I don't want you on my channel.
well, good. Why'd you invite me?
Well, you came over.
No, you told me to sit over here because I'm gonna be a guest star.
No, I
but
didn't.
nobody watches your channel. Oh. I'm going to eat a donut.
There's only one left. You're fat. What?
I am not eating this.
Okay, so back to the interview. Archer, how do you feel being a cat? Don't. How do you feel being a cat? What? What do you mean by that? Don't yell at me!
Archer's getting sassy.
Archer's getting sassy with us, guys. What's wrong with you, Archer? Huh? Kids are older than me. You think you're better? Oh, get out of my face, Archer. He's taking over the world.
So, Alex.
No, he's a fairy.
Alex, what'd you say about a you're being a ballerina?
What?
You signed up for... Damn, you signed up for ballet.
Shut up.
Days ago.
Shut up.
You're pretty good, too.
Shut
Good in those tights.
Are you that gay?
Yep.
You're casting for that donut?
Nope. That's how gay I am.
No, that's so weird. You know, you're making fun of all the people.
So gay making fun of gays is not offensive.
Well, you're making fun of your own kind.
It's not offensive.
Get out of my face, Archer. You get out here.
You're in his face.
No, he's in my face. Well, he just tried to shank me. If he had a knife, I would have died.
Good.
You're going to hell, Archer. You're going to hell. I know, 1998. Wait, what year? Let's check the year. You guys can't read it, but I can.
What is it?
1998. What do you think of that, Pikachu? Pikachu?
Pikachu!
Don't die on me now, Pikachu. Alright, guys, we gotta take Pikachu to the hospital. Hope you enjoyed this. Pray for Pikachu.
Hashtag pray for Pikachu that he dies.